want markers, and we want pencil and rubber, and we want crayons. Okay, let's get started. Like this cone, and like cone one slant and one more slant and slipping line, and curve is not difficult, cone also not difficult, and heart also not difficult, and cute eyes and smile. Ice cream is smiling. And I finished drawing. Now I color it. Okay, I want yellow. Crayon color, and not white spaces, and it should be not go outside the boundaries, and it should be nice. It should be nice and beautiful. It should be. And marker for highlighting. Was slowly. You should not go outside that boundary. Slowly. Now I have done cone. Now I keeping the brown color. Now I taking yellow. Why I done first brown? Because it's not mixed. First like this. There should be not white spaces. This is a bright color. Like this. This is bright color yellow, and I coloring. It should look beautiful and nice. Wow! Now my this done. Cone and this. Now should be red and cherry on top. Slowly. Heart is little bit small because we not too fast. And this cherry also red is like this nicely colored it. Now I finish coloring. Now I do highlighting. Okay, which one I use? Black one. Wow. Marker for highlighting are using black. It's not getting dark, so I do like this. Now it's done this curve and this cone. Now I do the smile. It's such a cute smile. Now eyes. And like this heart. Like this heart. And cherry on top. Cherry is not difficult. Now close the markers. Okay, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day tomorrow. I love you all.